I wanted to jump on here real quick before the night ends and just let you know that whatever you're going through, there is another part to it. And you may feel like you've reached the end. You may feel like you've reached total darkness, but total darkness is the only place where the flick of a light can be seen. Okay? If it was well lit, you wouldn't be able to see the flick of the light. And the flick of the light doesn't have to be seen in its totality. In fact, it's better when you see it come in increments. And I think the light flickering is just you getting the clarity necessary for you to just take that next step forward. But when you're in pitch black dark, you feel like, I don't see anything. Why would I keep walking? In fact, going back is safe. But if going back to the place that you only believe is safe just because it's familiar is the option, then moving forward will feel like the hardest choice to make. Okay? I'm talking to anyone who may feel stuck in life, boggled down by so many different emotions, confused by the amount of options that exist. I'm talking to anyone who just needs a sign for someone to speak directly to them. You are not your circumstance. You aren't your circumstance. Wherever you are, first and foremost, acknowledge that where you are matters. It is a part of your story. Be completely, be as self aware as you can of your situation as possible. Accept the fact that you are in darkness and that it's okay because you know that if you choose this time to not go back to your safety net, to not go back to the thing that you are also familiar with, and to keep taking steps forward, even in the darkness, that there's like a flickering light waiting for you. And the closer you get to this flickering light, it will flicker less and less until it's stable, and then you are in complete light. Now, this seems easier said than done. You're like, okay, I have all of the tools, I have the thoughts, but how exactly do I keep taking steps forward in the dark when it's scary? Things are making noise and rustling behind you. uh, Birds that are late to their nests look like bats. And just everything just feels out of order. Well, it's supposed to feel out of order because if you want something new, then newness is what you're going to experience. Don't use the newness of that dark space as a reason to go back. Just stay the course and take one step at a time. I want to tell you this is a real thing for many people, including myself. I am going to be completely honest with you. I am scared as crap to say on the internet, that's the world on the worldwide of webs, that I have these big goals, and I'm sharing with people that I never met my goals. But I know that more that I put into what I want to realize in this dimension, I, for one, have to become a better person. So every step that I take in the darkness, I slowly get stronger, better, faster, more clear. I don't have all the answers, but I am 100% sure that I am not returning to where I once was because where I once was is not where I desire to go. Now, where I once was is not a bad thing. It's all data. It was the time was the tuition I paid and the experience was the education. And I don't know about you, but I paid a pretty penny for that education. So instead of just only getting more education, let's get let's make some progress, right? That's just the mindset that I'm going with going forward. And so this is for you. I'm talking to you, the person that's literally sitting in darkness. You feel alone. You feel like you can't go home. You feel like you don't even know where home is. You feel like no one even knows where you live. This can be mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, and financially. These feelings. I just want you to know that if you're taking a step towards the things that you want in this life, in this lifetime, that we don't know how much more of it we have, then you are taking the correct steps. Now, I don't know you, but you know you. So, are you going to continue to excuse yourself from walking towards your dreams? Or are you going to give yourself a winning chance? That's up to you. All I'm going to say is, I personally believe more than hope. I know for a fact that I want to live my life knowing that I at least gave it a try. I tried my best and I enjoyed the journey and I didn't like parts of it, but I made it the best that I could have ever made it. I think that's worth it. I think it's worth it. I could be wrong, but the only way to find out is to go for it. The only way to find out is to keep taking steps in darkness and hope that one day I reach the flickering light. And I keep taking steps until the light stabilizes and it shines brighter than I can ever imagine. I hope that for you. I send that same energy to you. All right, y'all, we got this. We don't have to be ready in order to start, but we at least have to start to get ready. Thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Spivey J, and on my channel, we talk about mindset mastery so that we can transform our life, so that we can, in fact, get more fulfillment out of this life. So if that interests you and you would like to help me grow this YouTube channel, I would truly appreciate it if you just hit the subscribe button. It just takes a second, and it will mean so much to me. All right. In the meantime, in between time, my name is Spivey J. I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right. Peace. You're beautiful. I hope you know